Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair the Sony headphones to your Android phone. So first of all, you have to be sure that your device is turned off. And next, we have to focus on the right headphone, where we can find these buttons and also the indicator right here. So at the first, we have to click and hold this power button that is right here until this indicator starts blinking quickly. And you will also hear the notification sound that Bluetooth is pairing. So let's start it right now. Click and hold the button, take a look on the indicator. Okay, as you can see right now it is blinking, so we can release this button. And right now all we have to do is just to simply go to the Bluetooth settings on our device, go to pair new device, and from the list you have to just pick your Sony headphones, that's the name of it. And right now you have to just accept the pairing request. And as you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.